Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you WhatsApp web problem solution. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find WhatsApp. And now all you gotta do is tap on this offload app option. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is done, tap on delete app. And once that process is done, all you gotta do is try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in WhatsApp and WhatsApp business, then tap on it and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.